In Palnadu district, the scorching summer heat has been troubling residents, but Narsaraopet MLA Chandalawada Arvind Babu has introduced a unique solution for motorists. To provide relief at busy traffic junctions, he arranged green mats that offer shade and cooling during signal halts. The initiative is most visible at Mallamma Center, where vehicle owners waiting at red lights can avoid direct exposure to the blazing sun. Locals have welcomed the move, praising the MLA's efforts to ease everyday hardships caused by the heat wave. His practical measure has quickly become a talking point across the town.